Hey guys, this is another episode of Carrie Can't Stop Talking, where I aim to create a vibe. I provide a space for your voice and mine, and where it's always an unpredicted journey. Hey! So today's video is a quick and delicious steak tips and white rice meal with peppers. And as you see, the cutting boards are out. I'm prepping the rice, peppers and onions, and the rice is ready to cook. So while I show you how to make this, let me reintroduce myself and the heart behind this channel. So this is about lifestyle, self-healing, encouragement, and creating something real. We all know that life is unpredictable, but the universe always gives us what we need, for sure. So I'm on a journey right now, like a self-care journey. And it's because personally, I've been putting myself on the back burner for many, many, many years. I am 38 years old and basically just now learning how to take care of myself. And I'm proud of that. So, the peppers and onions are getting chopped. As you see, I'm cutting the onions right now. And we're going to move on to the peppers in just a minute. And we're going to get that steak going in the pan with some butter, just so we can make sure to give it, give it a liquid base so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. And a little, let's see, I'm trying to think of what to call this. So because I'm not a professional cook, but as a cook tip, when you add broth and butter to the bottom, it's creating that, or kind of getting rid of that frustrating part of cooking where everything starts sticking to the pan. Like, even if you have non-stick pans, I don't know if anybody else can relate, but if you don't have a certain base, I'm learning, maybe not for everything, but especially for steak and certain things like eggs and stuff, if you don't have a certain base, even if you have a non-stick pan, it still always sticks, like macaroni, right? Like certain things. So frustrating. So anywho, enough about that. We're getting everything prepared still, and that's the main tip of the day that I wanted to explain why I'm even using beef broth. And I've never really realized, just to add one more thing, that it was okay to add chicken broth, beef broth. I was afraid it would change the flavor of the food too much, but it actually doesn't. So, so cooking is becoming part of my self-care journey. Skincare, getting dressed, feeling good inside out, stuff like that. And I just want to encourage and uplift as many people as possible. Personally started this, YouTube channel and space because we're trying to reach a goal in which we can create a farm, so a family compound. I do want to have a full functioning farm. I am going to start small, obviously, and that's okay. I'm at the beginning of my journey. Investing into a couple of garden towers. There's the steak, guys. Ooh, yeah. Sorry about that. So I'm going to be investing in some tower gardens so that I can sell some produce. I'm starting to be interested in what's called a self-sufficient lifestyle, me and my family. So you're going to be seeing me use the KitchenAid, a lot of cooking, a lot of painting videos. I'm a very artsy, flowy personality. We'll discuss things in my journal. I do journaling, been doing that for about 3 years. I have 3 kids, and my niece Alyssa is temporarily staying with me. So 4 kids total in the house. Very excited. I absolutely love every single one of them. I am married. We've been married for 17 years. Woo woo. So I'm putting that seasoning on the steak. And oh my gosh, y'all. Even though you can't smell it through the screen, trust me, it smells amazing in here. This meal is so good. Everybody is on like this steak kick besides my daughter. She doesn't eat steak, oddly. But besides one, we love steak at my house. It's a good source of protein. I'm trying to keep my meals real simple lately. So I'm definitely going to be sharing that because I have seen tons of struggle chronicle videos where people are just like really struggling to come up with quick meals. And I'm in this mindset, maybe because I'm also trying to lose weight, but if possible, try to always purchase stuff in the store that actually just has one ingredient. Steak, rice, tomato, right? Try your best to prevent from buying anything that's outside of a one ingredient food. Yes, we still have treats in our house. We still have, some bad stuff, but we're limiting it and making a lot of changes. And I drink zero soda too now, so that I'm not drinking my calories. That's another little tip if you're on a weight loss journey like me. Bloop. Just drop the garlic in there. Steak, garlic, beef broth, seasonings. If you're dealing with high blood pressure and stuff like that, then you may want to disregard putting so much salt in your meal. And they do actually have the no salt version of beef broth. So just alter this meal however you see fit as you're watching me create it here. And I will try my best to leave behind some basic information if anyone's interested in like the broth that I use or any ingredients in here that I use. It's very basic, so yeah. But I hope you guys are enjoying. My family definitely enjoys this meal. We've got that flavor locked in right now. Boom. And future videos too, I'm going to be sharing inspirational quotes from my journal like I mentioned earlier. So I'll be turning those quotes into canvases and printable documents that you can purchase off my website, which will have that in my link tree as well. So you guys just check me out. Alright, and next we're going to be plating the whole meal soon. Almost. That's what I just said in the video. Almost done. And this black bowl here, I got it from Hobby Lobby. I love it. It's the perfect size. Perfect width, perfect height. So as you see, that white rice just went down. That steak is coming over next. I cannot wait. Alright guys, here it comes. The steak is getting ready to be dropped right in the middle with that gravy juice it created as well by using that beef broth. So that's another reason I use broths in my food too. So I could just have that natural gravy created.
Nice.
And thank you guys so much for riding along. If you stayed along throughout this video and listened and grabbed and resonated with me, definitely much appreciated.